trying to bring security to the next level. Our recent project is 500 schools and 300 kindergartens.
Welcome to TECHx Media, live from Intersec 2026. I am joined by Tom, Python lead developer at Mercury.AI. Let's welcome Tom on TECHx Media.
Thank you.
Welcome, Tom. Mercury.AI is exhibiting at Intersec 2026 this time. Tell me first about the company, what it does, what kind of products and solutions you have.
Okay, so Mercury.AI is a Serbian company. We are focusing on AI solutions, and we also do hardware and software. We are trying to bring security to the next level.
Interesting. Since you're exhibiting here, tell us what will be your key takeaways from the event this year and why participating in an event like Intersec is important for Mercury.AI.
Intersec is important because we are trying to expand our business partners here in Middle East, Asia, and Africa. And we are trying to increase the security at this region also.
Great. Moving forward, can you tell us about any recent projects Mercury.AI has done or any successful use cases of your products?
Yes, our recent project is 500 schools and 300 kindergartens. We implemented around 10,000 cameras and implemented also AI software that successfully detects weapons. So we can react in time and live safe life.
Great, Tom. It was great talking to you. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you too.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to TECHx Media to know more about what is happening at Intersec 2026. Goodbye.